Hi, this is Becky Grumlick with the Watercolor Classroom and Tuesday's Tips. Today I'm going to teach you about a little tool, how to make a little tool that just works fantastic for helping get your values right. All you do is you make two squares. I use watercolor paper so that it's the same color as my paper, and I cut it into about 2.5-inch squares, and then I punch a hole. Now I happen to have a rectangular punch. One of those round punches that you can buy at any craft store or office supply store will work just as well. And now I'll show you how to use these. These are really life changers. Even if you have a good eye for value, there's times when something just doesn't look right and it looks a little too fat or curvy where it shouldn't be or bending where it shouldn't. And at those times, these little tools are very helpful. And when you're a beginner, they're helpful almost all the time. So this painting that I did fairly quickly yesterday, it has this look, this just looks so straight, and this looks like such a sharp bend. And here's the photo. And it is a little bit of a sharp bend look there. But this definitely doesn't look straight. There's this nice curve to this petal. And then this has more depth than this. So I'll start there, and I put my square there, and I put my square there. And it's close, but there is this extra darkness there. And then, of course, this part is way off, this stamen. It's way off. I didn't get it dark at all at the bottom. And so I'm going to paint that in. For this central part, I've used alizarin crimson, and I'm going to actually mix a little bit of Payne's gray with that. It won't take much because it's just a very small dark area to get the depth there. And then soften that edge. And then to get the edge of this petal right too. And it quickly fades, it quickly turns lighter up here than I had it. Okay, so now we'll check again. And that's much better. And now this part, you know, where it's having such a stiff curve, it's because going by this, I have these darker lines, but then it got way too light, so I just need to add a little bit more color up there. Not a lot. And diminish this just a little bit. To get rid of that sharp edge. And there's other things that I could check, but I'm content that the flower has the depth that it needs to, and I can go on and finish my piece and my background. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.